Hello friends, welcome to Neela Studio. Today I'm going to show you the demo of these three blind hem foot. So this is the foot which I got along with the brother sewing machine. This is another blind hem foot which I got along with a 32 foot kit. And this is another blind hem foot which I got it from Amazon. Let us first see the demo of the blind hem foot which came along with the brother sewing machine. First, I'm going to fix this brother blind hem foot. I'm using contrast thread so that you can see it very clearly. The stitch pattern to be used for this blind hem is design number 10 as per the manual. The length and the width is already set in the machine. This blind hem stitches are normally used on skirts, dresses, trousers to give a professional look, as you can only see very tiny stitches outside, and it will give you a very professional look once you have done the garment. You can also stitch sari falls using this blind hem foot. Show you how the stitches will come when we stitch. This is not a blind hem stitch though. I just wanted to explain to you how the stitches will look. See, you can see that the stitches will come straight, then there will be a V, then straight, then V, then like that. Stitches will be seen only on the inner side of the garment. Now let me show you how to stitch the blind hem on this fabric. You can assume that this is a skirt hem and you have to fold, first fold about 1/4 inch or half an inch as per your design, then fold for another 2 inch to be turned like this. Only when you iron you will get a neat finish and it will be easy to stitch. After you fold like this, you take up the fabric and fold it backwards like this. See, like this, so that, and leave a margin of 1/4 inch to hem there. Now keep the fabric, the folded edge under the pressure foot like this, so that it is exactly in the center part where there is a divider in the center of the foot. The needle will only pick up one small dot on the hem. So you can just see how it is stitching now. You must practice on a rough fabric first before you start hemming on any garment. As I've used a contrast thread, you can just see the white dots on the right side of the fabric. Now I'm going to hem one of the nightie which I stitched for myself. So you can see how I'm finishing the hem beautifully with this blind hem foot and with the same color thread, and the stitches will be so invisible actually. Now the hemming has been done for the nightie. You can see how beautifully it is looking now. You can't even see the hem stitches on the nightie because it is the same self color thread. This one came along with a 32 foot kit, and another foot, the steel one, complete steel one, is the one which I bought from Amazon because it is an adjustable hem foot. I will give you the link for this to buy from Amazon in my description box below. Let us see how to stitch the blind hem using this foot. Now I'm going to use the third foot. Actually, this is the foot which I bought from Amazon, and it is equally as good as the brother foot. In my next video, I will show you how to finish a sari falls using this hemming foot.